Good morning guys, hello baby here. Welcome to this vlog at very special. And guys, it's early morning over here. I thank God for the gift of life. Anyway guys, thank you so much for clicking my videos. So today, for those people are asking me, hello baby, where's your barret, man? It's just over here. And anyway guys, I'm looking like Bobby Wine from I think from Botswana. So this cloth, it serves some memory, and it's remind me all my struggling guys in the year of 2023. So right now I was turning 1 year on this platform, but I appreciate for the love and support. So in case you're new here, I'm back with my full comeback. You can see this is my barret here, this is my my overall here. I'm wearing the gumboot because I'm heading to the construction site. So officially, I'm back to the construction site with one force. So anyway, on today's videos are very special, and it's a kind of it's an inspiration videos, and I'm trying to inspire maybe young youth outside there. And thank you so much for my good family who are watching my videos every day. But on my yesterday videos, like the weather is not good, like it's like drizzling, so everywhere. That's why you don't see maybe some good quality of the video. But on today's videos, you will see good quality and you follow until the end. For my returning subscriber, just come back and I wear this uniform. So I will not go with my baby. I left there, and actually this is my brother's bicycle. So he was come from school and riding, but yesterday it's raining here and there, so that's why you see maybe some full of muddy. Maybe they'll wash later. And thank you so much, mom. May God bless you. You made it possible. Right now my brother, he has brand new bicycle. I'm not fake, direct from the shop. Even I make a deal. I was like booking from Nairobi up to my village right here, and my baby is waiting me here. But today I will never go with my baby, so we left it here. Thank you so much, Monkia. May God bless you. And guys, go and check Monkia. So he was the one who bought for me this bike, and I'm calling baby because it's taking me all around the village. So let's go this way before I left this place. I hope guys you're ready for this Floyd vibe to the end. Subscribe. Officially guys, I'm going to my job, no problem. That's where my life started. That's where my life changed. And big shout out to David Jr. He introduced to you guys, and you really hold me with one hand, supporting me every day, every single minute. Why not? If you remember this cape, guys, comment. Right now I'm outside. So anyway guys, I'm around at my home here. So how do we school? So let me see my brother and say hello, because he was coming from school. Right, look guys, new shoes, new clothes, brand new bicycle. Say hello.
Hello. Yeah.
Have you taken anything?
Yeah, I've taken some ugari. You know African, you like ugari.
Yeah.
Yeah, without ugari you are not a man.
You heard from my brother. I'm not the one who sing that words. Africa man, without ugali you are not somebody else. I'm telling you. And if you're eating ugali, you'll be more strong. You have like strong muscles. All right, you go. Hey, what? Going that way. So it's all about to check the cow before I left. Even the cow will watch this clothes. Like, oh, I'm looking like I'm a soldier, guys. No problem. Let's go. And I'm outside right now to share with you this cloth. It's a memory, and although my overall got too old, but it reminds me to keep this barret till the end. Maybe if you compare my old videos and nowadays videos, it's totally different. Maybe on my first video on YouTube, I was shaking hands, maybe using the phone here and there, and then maybe it's by God's grace, man. I was toothless. Right now my teeth have been fixed and all stuff. If you think I'm lying, guys, go and watch my first video on YouTube. Like, watch 5 of them, you'll see. With this barret here, with this overall, and how I was laughing. Like, by that time I was creating like a comedian, but all in well, I succeed on this platform, and I'm keep grinding so hard. Look, from a handman to build a outside rat room like this, and it's a very beautiful, as you can see outside. Imagine, from the handman. Others from handman, they own a bungalow, they own like a big house. Like, for me, I want to say, God, thank you so much. From a handman to own a nice toilet. Look, guys, look. And it's by God's grace. I can't take things for granted, guys. But I appreciate the love that you show me to the end. So I supposed to check. You have energetic cow here. So I normally check. And guys, today the weather is so beautiful. The weather is so beautiful today. Look. And I had a tractor is plowing on the other side. So I'll start with that cow right there before I left, and I'm heading to construction sites. So anyway, guys, it depends. Maybe the day, the month, night, or daytime when you meet these videos. Please subscribe, share my videos, and don't skip ads. That's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official here. So finally, I'm outside. Oh, today is sunny, guys. It's too hot here. Wow. Whew. Let's go. I'm heading right there to check the cow, and then heading to construction site. Oh, look that cow. Wow. Woo. Whoa. And this is the one that my mother milk, you know, this one here. Hey. Woo! Our cow, guys, you can touch, you know. Whoa. So I'm heading this way. I want to check another one, and probably I see my mama from the far end. They will say hello as we move on. You see, guys, I'm assisting my mama to check the cow whether they are okay, and then we left. African cow grazing here. Right there. Whoa. My mama with these calves here. Hey. Mama, say hello.
Hello.
Yes, she's having a hammer. They want to like hammering the peg on the ground and tie the cow. Mama, what's your feeling?
I'm feeling good.
You feel good? So I'm back with my compact barret, and I want to see how my family outside there, they will charge me. You know, it's a long time, and it's my memory. Like, I'm not saying like my family charge me. I want to see the reaction of my family outside there. Sorry guys for saying charging, but I want to see your reaction outside there if you're watching these videos. And even my mama, she was wondering, where did you keep these clothes? I never throw anything. I never burn anything. And I keep it inside my house. Although these clothes, our second brother used for painting here and there. So that's why you see some white stuff. So mama, I'm heading to the construction site. Me naenda kwa site. For David Junior. So I'm telling my mom I'm heading to David Junior's site. So bye.
Bye.
Alright. Take care, mom. Bye. So guys, I'm rushing up, and on today's videos are very special, guys. Don't miss. If you missed these videos, kindly go watch my yesterday videos. Although on our yesterday videos, the day is totally like drizzling since morning up to evening time. But today we say, God, thank you so much. We see the sunny and the beautiful cloud you can see. Wow. On this part here, I'm trying to look like the map of Africa. Right there, guys. You see right there? The small one right there. It looks like number 6, like the map of Africa. Woo. The small one, not this one, guys. That one there. Wow. Wow. And then that's maybe the map of Asia. But I'm 100%. That one there, the small one that I'm pointing there, it looks like the map of Africa. So anyway, guys, let's follow the vibe to the end. Apart from creating these videos, let me know in the comment section, what do you think about? Look how African land looks like, full of green. I'm telling you, from the handman to build a nice picture trim. Look, we fix tiles on the wall. Look, everywhere. We do rough cast, we paint, and I'm the one who designed maybe to put rough cast here. Look. And also we have the sandals for going on every room. You see guys, you see. Oh, imagine from a handman to build a nice picture tin. Let's see, my mama house could become maybe this year. And let me show you guys, let me show you how God transforms people's life. Wow, I'm heading this way. I want to show you how things have been transformed here. First, before I'm going round, let me show you guys. I feel so happy. I feel so proud of myself, what I'm doing. Imagine, all the way from a handman, God changed my life. And thank you so much for my good subscriber. I really appreciate. Let me show you before I left. East to west, home is the best. This is I'm calling home. This is where I'm born and raised. Actually, this is my dad's residence, and I'm trying to transform it by slowly, step by step. Maybe one day the only house could be remaining here is this one here, because inside we renovate, we do everything, and the rest of the house, by God's grace, I will try to change it step by step, to change the narrative. The way you see right now, these videos I'm shooting from here, one day when you come to Africa, you will see, you'll say, okay, hello baby, I was watching you for the long time. One of my subscriber, one day I'm praying they will be arrived in Africa, and then you will see, guys. Let's take you inside. You see, all the way from a handman, we fix the tank, we renovate the house. It's by God's grace. And thank you so much for my good subscriber who made it possible. My God bless you. My God add you more years, 1,000,000 times. Let me take you inside, guys. Welcome to my home. Before I left, I want to show you how things have been transformed. Example, we put this one here. Apart from that, let's go. Bruno, today I'm so happy. Wow, look. This is how we install water, by using gathers around from that way, coming this way, and then you good? Hola. Yesterday I didn't take you outside, but because of rain here and there, today we'll take you outside. You can tell, guys. Look. And then we have the tank here. And it's 5,000 liter. This 51010. We have another 0 here. 5,000 liter tank. And mom, thank you so much. May God bless you. Without you, My mom could maybe struggling maybe a lot, and it's by God's grace open the door, and my mama have the tank, and I think inside here we have also water. Look, water. It's a clean water. You see, use a tap, and we designed with one of my good plumber, so we do some installation of the water from there coming this way. We fix the tap here. Imagine, I don't want to take you inside the house, but look how things have been transformed. We have ceiling board, we paint the wall, we have the glass table right there, we have couch. Look, we're tiling on the floor, everything, and I'm just showing you randomly before I left to the construction site, but I was shooting the videos every day. In case you're new here, I'm showing you everything that I do. So let's go. Guys, I'm kind on a hurry mood, and I'm so grateful to be back in my job. I can't forget until when I'm turning 100 years old. I can't forget, and I'm praying God to add me more years to serve the community. Maybe one day I could open the school around my village. One day, when I have when maybe I'm capable, financial enough, I could help my entire communities building the school, maybe for helping the needy. That's things that are on my mind. But right now, let me change my dad's family first. And if you remember, I want to say, my dad, wherever you are, my soul rest in peace. So in my family, they have been lucky to have a firstborn to be a boy, and I'm just over here. Hello baby guys, and the rest of my brother, I'll take care of them, and my sister. Whew. Oh man, thank you so much for my good subscriber. Thank you so much. I'm not perfect enough, but I'm trying to grind so hard to chase my dream outside there. A young boy like me helping all my family, it's by God's grace. So on another side, the truck is plowing the farm, so I'm keep rolling this camera heading. Look, actually this is my uncle's properties, and I'm trying to supporting them as I can. We have the balance stones here for the construction site, what I bought for you using to build the pit rat on the other side which I was coming from, and this one what have been remaining. Imagine, for example, resources never went bad, like e.g. balance stones. It stay here around maybe 10 years until you get money to build. Wow, look, from the handman to buy some materials for the construction. What a blessed man in this community, in this village. Look, and I can't wait to see my mama house coming in good shape. Man, I'm telling you, look, this is what I was dreaming for, and I manage. You see right here, very soon, when the time allowed, I will build my mama's dream house on the other side, and I will demolish the house. I'm telling you. You see how the land have been plowed by the truck. So look guys, I was maybe working so hard 6 months, and then I bought these stones that you see here, not at the same time, but I was bought in a different time. Like when I have maybe $50, $60, I bought, and one truck goes to $60. That's equivalent to 7,000 Kenyan money. I'm telling you, like one trip like this one, and I'm so lucky we have 2 different trips. Like you see, it's kind of a whitish and yellowish. Like this one here goes to 60, 60, 60, 60, 60, and it's 6 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On the other side you have another random trip. Look, Me, I'm just showing you how I was doing things in my village here, and the truck is plowing the shamba right there. You can see right there. See right there, that's the truck plowing the garden. So I'm keep going this way, and I'm rushing to the construction site. That's my grandma home, and that's how everything is here. Well, guys, I can't wait a day like this to demolish that house. I can't wait. It's because of even me, I don't like to demolish that house, and to be honest, maybe it's a lack of space. We didn't have enough space to build my mama dream house, so it keep pushing me one day to demolish that house to build 3-bedroom house. And I will see how the plan goes. Maybe I could build 3-bedroom, 4-bedroom, so extra room when I have my mason. No, not my mason. When I have my visitor, they could stay there. Also, when my mom have the visitor, they could stay there. Maybe friends from abroad, friends from my country, when I arrived at my home, they could have maybe free accommodation room inside my mama house. And it's by God's grace, and you're the one who's supporting me. Why not? I must build the visitors room. Why not? Why not? Hello, baby. All right, guys, me, I'm saying goodbye. My mama, she was sitting right there chilling. Mama, bye.
Bye.
Yes, bye. Imagine. So, as hello baby has been said, I'm passing here. Imagine, I'm heading to construction sites. Whoa, I can't wait, guys, to reach in construction sites. That's my outfit. Saludo. In Spanish, what? Saludo means I salute you. Saludo. Let's go. I'm trying to pass on this beautiful, amazing forest here. Wow. Let's go, guys. Even you can't see my dreadlocks, and I'm trying to cover it, and then the way I was being passed, I was being like this, but I was like a slim boy. So right now, maybe I'm growing, not fat, not fast, not fat, but a medium there. Even me, I don't want to become more fast. I don't like. Wow. So I want to minimize my body. So we keep going, guys. Thank you so much. On today's vlog, let me know what do you think about on these videos. But for my premiere again, maybe you'll see a different day like this. Imagine I'm heading to construction site. Let's go. Wow. Guys, to be honest, I'm not going this way, but I'm heading this way. Let's go. Today no motorbike, because I want to film these videos, and then I'm show you from my home up to the construction sites. Wow, imagine I'm walking like army soldier. Even, guys, back here when I was wearing this overall, just like I'm wearing the overall or this clothes, but it's the one that the clothes is the one that wearing I myself. So right now I just fit on this overall. Look. Hey, let's see. No crying. And when I meet somebody or the handman on that construction site where I'm heading to, I want to show them some how the work have been done. You know, we have so many technique how maybe to do some construction site, to mix maybe balance stones, to mix a mortar and all stuff. Even I can't wait to see David Jr.'s reaction. So when you're watching these videos, please guys, to be honest, I really appreciate for the love and support that you show toward Felistus, and every day I would share the link because she was new on this game. And then you know when somebody's new, there's she was somehow maybe like camera shy here and there, and then maybe she has maybe some 1 to 3 points she can telling you, but you understand. And I'm trying to keep pushing her in all means as I can. And then maybe one day they could help the family by putting something on table. And right now I met her, she was around 5 subscribers. Right now she was around 66 subscribers. So on today's videos, guys, please let's take her to 70 subscribers. If maybe things could be maybe changed, let's take her 100 subscribers, like 40 subscribers remaining. When I get 4 people share her link to 10 people, they could turn 100 subscribers. But this is my humble request. Please, if you're supporting me by subscribing, also subscribe to her channel, guys. Love is for free. We try to keep pushing each other here. And then it's not maybe like I don't want maybe to see people like one of the people struggling a lot here and there, and then she need my help. I request, and by helping her is by introducing her on this platform. You can you already know, and then subscribe to her channel. And she was doing well on this platform. Actually, she was doing a village lifestyle by cooking videos and showing you maybe around their homes how it is. Maybe one day I could visit her home and then shoot the videos. So I'm trying like to train her how to shoot the videos, and then when I see has a lot of conscience to shoot the videos, like not shaking, camera shy, and then I'll visit one of this day to her home, and then you will see. So I can't wait. So let me train her by supporting her. So me, I'm not perfect. I'm not have the power to support her, but the power that I have is to introduce to you guys and see her subscribing. Tell her I came from Hello Baby. Let's supporting you. And for me, I advise her just do a positive videos. If you mess, that's the end of story between me and you. I will never support you anymore, because right now no time for negativity. No time for negativity. I can't waste any single minute to a negative comment to negative people. Never not. I'm flow with the vibe to the end. Wow. You see the goat right here? It's grazing. Say man. Wow. You see? So that's how we feed the goats and cow alongside the look. It's crazy. Even this one's sleeping here. But I'm keep going, man. I'm keep going. Look, we have the sun here. So, but guys, if you support her, I feel so happy, because YouTube, it's somehow a game changer and it needs more effort. So she's doing good in this platform, putting videos every day, make good content. And when I see she was making a good content, I share the link on the videos. You subscribe, guys, you subscribe, because she was new. Let's put her smile on the face. One day maybe she will put her smile on the face, and helping the family, putting something on table, changing the narrative, you know. So no one is perfect, but we try to change the situation where we came from. So that's how I go. Or I change this cape, guys. How am I going to look with this cape? Wow. On today's videos, no motorbike. I just make exercise, and practice make perfect. Not every day, maybe on the motorbike, here and there. A time like this, I make some exercise to my body. Wow. I'm keep going, and this is how African roads looks like, especially in the village here. Look. Kids are going to school. Mnamana mwendi shule. Maraba, sasa hivi natembea na mguu. Tembea tuende. Say hello. Simseme hello. Kwenye mazuba. Poa. Hello baby. You know how to introduce?
Yes.
Unasemaje? Hello.
We say hello.
Hello.
Hello guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. We say that.
Oh, we say that.
Yes.
Thank you so much. So tembea tuende man. Niko kwa mguu. I'm telling them, let's walk so quick because right now no motorbike. Eh? Mnasikia nini? Eh? Tembea tuende. They are laughing how I was marching, guys. Like, you see? Like I was marching like kwa. Aya, kasana tuende. Even they were being shocked about my outfits, barrets. Guys, it's good when I meet some kids going to school. I make them to laugh and to make the brain like not to feel too much dormant. If you laugh, you make your brain to be attentive, all right? Let's go. Mashanga nimevaa hizi nguo.
Yes.
Hizi ni za kazi sasa.
Gani? Kazi gani?
Askari. They ask me about this cloth and my barret. Yeah. I want help. I want coffee. I'm trying to make some jokes. So guys, I know kids are not allowed maybe too much filming, but yeah. Look. And guys, remember there's one of the couple staying there, but nowadays no more staying there. And I bought some clothes for their kids. Even up to nowadays, guys, I didn't form them. So I give mama those clothes to keep it. If one day I could meet them, I could handle those clothes to them. Wow. Whew. Let's go, let's go. I can't wait to see the reaction, guys. But it's by God's grace. At the back, you have the kids. Village gate. Woo! But anyway, we follow the vibe to the end. Imagine these videos, it's a continuation videos from my home up to construction sites. Imagine. I'm keep rushing and see how the day goes. Look, amazing, beautiful village. Wow, people are building here, but no competition at all, no competition. You do your own thing as you can. Look, the beautiful house. Look, right there. Nice gate. I can't wait one day to build my mama now a nice gate, perimeter wall for the privacy. And then nowadays things change. You can compare the perimeter wall and thorn fence. Let's see. Wow. Hey. Today's a nice and a special day. Let's see. Today no motorbike. Look. Today no motorbike. I didn't understand how people charge me on this station road here. But all in way, I'm just following the way to the end. We have the shop here. Other side we have the shop. We keep moving on. Keep moving on. Keep moving on. Keep moving on. We have the church right here. So kids are going back to school. It's lunchtime and then it's the time to go back to school. That's the gate of the church. Kids are wearing the maroon trouser, maroon uniform. Let's go. Wow, this is where my brother and sister lands, and also 90% of the YouTubers study here. Before the life transformed, they have been studying here. Woo. Wow. On this road I made some students going back to school after lunchtime. Wow. We keep heading to Nyabansa market and I want to resume back to the construction sites. Congrats Dad's farm right here with an napier grass. Omera bwana. Gopoa.
Kwa kunaendaje?
Shwari kabisa.
Toa maneno.
Sina maneno. Naenda kazi.
Hata mimi naingia kazi hapa.
Sawa. Guys, to be honest, on today's videos, I'm creating somehow intention on this road because maybe in the morning I was not be like the way I am right now. You can see the rental house right here. Wow, look, tall perimeter wall for the privacy and a nice gate. If you're staying there, you can't know what things could be happening in that maybe rental house. Whew. Oh, one step at a time. I'm almost at the same time to reach in Nyabansa's market. Wow. Kids are running to school. Oh. Niweke kwenye site mura.
Yes.
Niweke kwa site pale.
Kwa site?
Hey. Kandro kwa site hare. Ndo sile kugeni. Turn the motorbike. Guys, let me use the motorbike because of time. Woo! Introduce yourself.
Guys, welcome and welcome back to Hello Baby Big Show YouTube channel. Guys, I'm Robi-n2e. I'm upcoming YouTuber.
Because of the noise.
Yeah.
You are Rioba?
I'm Robi-n2e. I'm upcoming YouTuber. If you can subscribe to my channel, there's amazing content there, guys. Go and check on me there. You watch it.
The way you struggle, if you're watching my old videos, that's how my life transformed, and I was wearing these clothes, working at the Junior's construction up to nowadays, and I'm back to the work. Guys, boom! Etando kiri. Zuri na kinyasa. Hey, hi. We have the tuk-tuk right here. Today now we're walking. Excited about it? Okay, I'm telling you. I'm back to yeah, I'm the manager. At the same time, I'm back to my work. Yeah. So guys, in case you're new here, that's how Nyabanse market looks like. And today I'm creating another intention. These clothes here.
Imagine.
What again? That's it.
See the kilometer that we are moving on.
I think I'm hey, utanyi pire. Kano dano nyibiro ntebi. Dano nyibiro ntebi.
Ile bike.
Bike iko nyumbani.
Rakora.
Yeah. Kama homo. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Njoo tuone kazi vile kunaenda.
Oh, kazi,
Hey.
kazi.
Guys, welcome to the construction and let me see the reaction. You see me?
Hey guys, how are you doing? My name is David Jr. I'm a digital content creator. I'm super excited to see the official here. And yeah, welcome to my construction. This is what I'm doing here in the village. Though it's lunchtime hours, most of the masons or the people are helping me to achieve this dream. They have break for lunch, but in any time from now they wanna be here. But so far so good. This is how everything is. We keep working every single day to ensure the dream is coming to reality. But honestly, when I see everything how it started and how it's unfolding, it's by God's grace, and we keep moving. So yeah, this is the house here. It's for commercial purposes, not where I'll be staying. No. This is for income generation. We are pushing because the future is very unknown, but when we prepare it very well, we are good to go. So what we are doing here today, we're doing the concrete, which is, when I say the concrete, I mean the mixture of ballast, cement and sand. Like these pillars here, we're done with them. So we'll be waiting for, let's say, 3 or 4 days. We are good to go. What will follow next, it's curing process, where like we have to be watering the pillars every single day, like in the morning, in the evening. The house is so big, it's so massive, it's so enormous, and we're doing it, we're doing it. So this is how it is. Yeah, it extends to the other side. We have a machine here, or the generator, for compaction. When I say compaction, I mean like it helps us to ensure the concrete
To vibrate.
Exactly. Yeah.
Okay.
For vibration, you see.
Yes.
Here. And also, yeah, this is how it is. We keep working hard every single day.
I'm back to the ground.
So this is how you're wearing today.
A memory.
Exactly. This is how you used to dress.
Yes. But if you remember, these clothes overall, didn't fit me back years. But nowadays I wear for the first time. And then now I wonder.
Oh wow. Look at it.
Develop.
Body develop.
Yeah, he has really grown.
Yes.
He wasn't like how he
No.
used to be.
Yes.
Here we have water. These are drums for storage of water, because this work needs a lot of water. So yeah, this is water, but we get within here. Big shout out to the people who are helping me to get this kind of water, because at times water can be very problematic. It's very scarce, here in the village, especially to run this kind of construction. We need a lot of water, but we're not complaining. We're not stuck. We are progressing. So what is happening here is how they mix, This is cement, and you have to understand this goes close to $10
Sure.
here in the village. These are spades. If you are saying, yeah, those are spades.
Take this one, guys.
So here, when you see kindling, you can see sand.
Yes.
This is sand, guys. This is ballast, and this is cement.
Yeah.
So this where they mix. And this other side, I love the fact that we did the plumbing because I don't want in future.
Sorry.
Be very careful.
Remember, there's a pipe here. I cover this pipe. I told you
Yeah,
a plumb, but there's a pipe here.
yeah. A plumber came and did the plumbing work because I don't want in future we start maybe destroying the walls or something. No. We're just doing once and for all. And also we have done some piping. See, guys, here, this is for electricity because this house has walls. Yeah, so these vacuum or empty spaces that we are seeing here, the walls wanna be running round.
Okay.
And we'll be using stones, not blocks. We'll be using stones.
Oh.
Yeah, I just wanna spend, but worth it, you know, rather than taking shortcuts and then they'll cut me short. So I don't want that. So this is where the house reaches, where I'm standing, and also show them the other side.
Hey, it's so big.
Yeah, it's massive. Now we are doing it. So this is for water, you know? Water. Yeah, when
Oh.
you see
Okay,
this
this
green,
one?
yeah, this is water.
Okay.
Yeah.
The water will running from there going to serve the whole house.
Exactly.
Okay.
And this will be a balcony here, though it will be built.
For the machine, like motor for pumping water.
No. I'm not that sure about what I know. Here we'll be having a balcony somewhere here.
Yes.
Yeah, so this is how everything is. And also, when you are building, you have to understand the foundation is always expensive as well.
Yeah.
Because I remember when we were doing the construction,
Yeah.
the foundation, I brought a lot of stones, like a lot of stones, a lot of sand, a lot of construction materials. Even here, like we have a lot
Here.
of bars. You
Yes.
remember?
Yeah, I remember.
Yeah. So there are some bars even they are running within the house on the ground. So these are the supporters.
Yeah.
These poles that we are seeing here to ensure the pillar is strengthened at its best. So come. So here we'll be having some toilets.
Yeah.
Here, see guys, I love the fact that this plumber
It's covering.
covered because the sand or something don't go inside.
Yeah.
So that's why they are covered like this. But when maybe he will start doing the connection,
They will
he has
cut.
to cut here
Yes.
and then connect.
Okay.
Hey, what's this?
These are like a
don't
mason, like plumbing knob.
Huh? Oh, this
Yeah.
one?
Yeah. Kabiro. But we're
It's
doing
very traditional.
yes plumbing knob. We do
Take
it.
measurement
Yes.
to ensure it's on a straight lane.
Yes, you can't bought maybe all of the pillars, maybe plumbing knob. So we use in local way. It acts like a plumbing knob and have a string.
I think the other day these we used to remember.
Yes, something like this, guys. Here,
Yeah.
something like this.
Because initially we had some distraction here.
Yes.
There are some thieves who came here and cut some bags, in which I'm glad I caught them.
You know, I supposed to ask maybe you're engineer. Why don't you put this maybe we calling wall pass, and then I see them here.
No,
Yes,
they
they-
have to be put there
in
to
sound.
strengthen
Yes.
the pillars.
This one. You know this
Yeah.
wall pass is maybe you want to build constructing the perimeter wall. The wall they will use this one.
Yeah, it's to strengthen, to make the wall strong.
Yes. Kumbe amezificha hapo ndani.
Oh, everything is in
Yes, I know, no jokes here.
the pipes here. This has been covered so that maybe something won't drop.
I'm the one who put this stuff here.
Yeah, it's so good. Yeah, we're progressing, guys. let me take you along so that you can see like how the house is coming up.
Yeah.
Here we'll be having the staircases. Yeah, these are staircases. Do you know that?
Yeah, you know.
Here, these are staircases.
Yeah.
Yeah, they've already started building them from the ground. So what we
Oh,
need to do...
maybe we'll go this way and then.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, here, you see, here, within here.
Yes.
Okay, these were the staircases on.
Oh, this is an entrance.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. Actually, here is the entrance. Within this space, where you see 1, 2, 3, 4, these are staircases.
Okay.
You've seen that?
Yes.
Okay. And you have a lot of ballast here.
Yes,
remember?
right here. This one. Just like.
But this one right now, we won't use
No.
here in the house. Maybe we'll use to build the balcony.
Yes.
Where you've seen the trench.
Or a septic tank.
Yeah. This one.
Hey.
It has work still.
Yes.
But here in the house, this one. Because we have different varieties of.
An expensive one.
Hey, this one is no joke. This one is no joke.
I'm telling you.
This goes for closely to 300 euros
Not closely. $300 per track.
per track.
And for what Hello Baby bought goes to $120. Totally different. Yes.
So outside here, guys, we have sand. And I need to add sand here because the construction that I'm doing, it's no joke, honestly. I have to pull up my socks. That's why I'm always consistent on YouTube. I have to ensure I pull up videos back to back because my dream is so big to ensure like it's coming to reality, you know. So this is sand, and I prefer this kind of sand. This is from the river,
Yeah.
you know.
Yes.
Because we have different varieties. The one that they collect within the road, it's so bad because it's contaminated with the other soils, the loam soil. When you use the road sand, it brings the cracks on the walls.
Yes.
Did you know that?
Yes, I know.
These are real stories from here in the village. I'm taking you along so that you can see the perimeter wall which Hello Baby built. Come. True story.
Okay, yes,
You
guys.
remember when we started doing the construction here?
I remember.
You remember?
Yes.
So this is Nyabohanse for you guys.
Yes.
Like this is where I come from, you know? Okay, come. But I love the fact that we have electricity.
Yeah, it's one like only the cable you drop the power.
Yeah, people decided to build this. They call the name Kibanda or something. Yeah, to ensure like they put food on the table.
Yes.
Because the hustle is real.
Apple. Let me show them. Miganise von Emba Korogi. This is brown nougat. And you have the soup here. See is here. Tu abona vão nisso essa copa Korogi. Asante mama. Oh, this Chef Matiko's home, and they fetch water here for construction.
But I'm glad not all people are bad here in the village. I'm glad like some people, they support me to see my dream. It's coming up in good shape. Because they decided to give me free water, you know.
Yes.
So my neighbors used to stay here, but the government did that thing.
When you see this one, you demolished.
Yeah. But they are good neighbors, you know. So guys, maybe you just subscribe to the channel and you don't know like where we are building this house. This is where everything started. We used to stay here for a long time. But I decided to demolish the houses because they were very, very old.
Yes.
And right now I'm coming up with something great, amazing. So when you pay us a visit here in the village in future, you have a place to stay chill and relax. So hello baby, this is the yeah.
Like if you count 1, 2, 3. 3 pillars, that's my place.
So guys, before Hello Baby became Hello Baby, he used to work here, you know, and these were like everything started for him. Because I do remember I gave him the work of digging the foundation of this perimeter wall right here. Just here.
You just guys count 1 pillar, second, third one. That's my partition. And I'm the last person to start digging, but the crazy thing is I'm the first one to finish up.
Imagine, guys. So this is where his star started shining from.
Yes.
From here, now he's having his own YouTube channel. He's helping his mom.
Yeah.
He's helping his family. He has built a pit latrine back at his home. And for me, I'm happy for him. He has a motorbike, you know, like.
We put tank for my mom.
Even imagine guys, even they have water. Even his house right now, it's so good. He has good tiles, ceiling. So the essence of telling you that is like, trust the process, you know. Like for him, he didn't know, like coming to my construction, his dream wanna be materializing to reality, and his life has changed, you know. And courtesy of you guys watching our videos, supporting us day by day, you always make these things a reality, you know. And honestly, content creation is a big thing, especially to someone out there who wants maybe to venture in creating videos. What you need to do is just trust the process. Don't take shortcuts or something. Just build a solid audience where people will come back, watch your videos, feel motivated, feel inspired. Like everything that I've shown you from my house that I'm building right now is through content creation, purely content creation. But at the same time, you have to be very, very disciplined with your expenditure. When you get money, because money is very scarce, when you get money, you put it into something that you'll see in future, like, look, this is where I put my money. That's why it's so good to invest on yourself, you know. So investing in such a house, guys, you know, it's something very massive. This is not a small thing. Not on cars. Personally, I have good cars back home, you know. But at the same time, I decided, you know what, I want to be putting my money in something that will help my family, will help my kids in future. Even if I won't be there, they'll benefit from here. So we're looking forward for having a good future, a bright future. So this is how everything is. Maybe we should go back. We see if the lessons have come, because they had already break for lunch. You know? Right now it's lunchtime here. That's Kwamboka. Where are they going? Okay, let me ask him where is he going, because he's one of my
Kwamboka.
Say hello.
Hello, how are you guys?
Wagwan.
I wanted to eat this one. Yes.
What is that?
This one is looking like what?
No, don't show because of YouTube.
What a samba.
Aya, poa, changamka na kuongoja kazi. Aya. If you know, you know.
Yes.
If you know, you know.
Wow.
He has to boost his energy, then back to work. But I don't support drugs. I don't advocate for drugs, because I know the repercussions, you know. Drugs have really messed up brilliant minds.
Copyright.
We are
okay.
Alright, guys, sorry we had to pause the video of copyright, because as a content creator, you don't want to use other people's work, you know. And which is a good thing. Imagine working on yourself so hard, someone taking your work that you've been working hard for it. So it's a bad thing. All right, so we're back in the construction. You know what's this?
Supporters.
Yeah, these poles here, they want to be supporting the house, especially when right now they are doing the concrete. Okay, let's go this way.
Right.
Okay. I hope the masons are back. So this other side we have a carpenter.
Okay, right here.
Yeah. And the work of a carpenter is to ensure maybe making of good tables, tools, and these are workshop or a carpentry.
Yes.
All right. So we keep going.
Yes.
Now is this calling? Okay.
Wow. Alright guys, so I'm back. I want to mix the concrete right here, and maybe I have one of our engineer. Maybe they can say something before we back to this work here. Haya, nimerudi kwenye kofia, nakwambia ziko lakini ndio imeraruka. Wrong.
Okay. Thank you. Hi guys. I'm King Charles Kirioba 254. I'm here now with
It's 254 or 254?
254.
You know 254 is the code number for Kenya.
Kenya.
Yes.
Yes. Yes, that's my channel.
Yes, you're almost asking me about my clothes, barrets,
Yes.
and I was keep it in my house.
I was almost forgetting you because you are not using your
My barret.
yes.
This barret.
Yes. Yes.
Now I'm back.
Now you are the official.
Yes.
Yes.
Hello, baby official.
Yes.
In
You are
back
the
years.
official. Yes. Yes.
So I want to mix here,
Okay.
and then maybe showing people how to mix these things,
Okay.
and then we go home.
Okay.
Yes.
Suppose you may support me in my channel by subscribing to King Charles Kirioba 254. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
He was the engineer of this place. He was the one who put this box, these pillars that you see here.
Yes.
Aye.
Yes. Thank you.
Okay. Kana mata sitokoroge.
Mura hallelujah.
Hallelujah. Acha tukoroge.
Kwa kongwe.
Amina.
Mbuyo arai.
Mbuya narai. Mbuya narai. Yes.
It's called Kikuria.
Kikuria.
So most of our audience it is international.
Yes.
Let's say maybe someone is watching from the US. That's a local language here.
Yes.
Because most of the Kenyans, especially people who watch us from Kenya, they are always like, Davy, are you not proud of speaking Swahili? No. We're always proud of our country, but because most of the people that watch us, it's from maybe the US, UK, the Caribbean, Jamaica. That's why we always use English.
Yes.
And also for the market, it's a good thing, you know? When you use Swahili, your videos or your content, it's always local. But when you use English... No, it's okay. It's
fun?
okay. Yeah, it's very fun.
Okay.
When you use English, it attracts the foreign audience. And yeah, definitely the market out there is so good, you know? Yeah. Like you can't compare like our audience maybe with someone who is using Swahili. No.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because when
so
this...
you want to mix?
Yes, and then they will find maybe me mixing. You hold for me.
Okay.
And to cut. Find the spade. The spade is right there.
Which one?
Use a panga.
Panga for?
For cutting those bag of cement. You wait.
No, you can mix the way it is.
No, this one is small.
So you want to add? Okay. Look at it. Look at it. This is cement. So you haven't forgotten yet what you used to do?
I haven't.
Back to your roots.
Chota maji wetu.
Back to your roots. You know Fundi used to do this.
Okay.
Yeah, before like his star started shining,
Okay.
he used to do this.
Okay.
But right now he has really done a lot of progress. He has built a house, he has installed water in his home,
That's nice.
he has helped his mother,
That's nice.
he has a motorbike, he has really grown.
Yes. I'm back to the roots.
Yeah. So this is what he used to do, guys, before he became who he is today. So here. I think this is what you should be doing. to reduce weight.
Yeah. Yeah, Zuko.
You need to burn some fat.
Yeah, to reduce weight.
Yes.
He was so small, very, very, very.
Okay.
He was so small
Okay, Tsimoko.
in body. Okay. He has really gained weight. Okay.
Wait. Back to the root.
This is what he used to do. Okay. Let me take a small clip for the baby walking. So this is what he used to do. Okay, mix.
Okay, I will mix.
Little baby back in his normal work. Before he became a boss, this is what he used to do.
Oh.
He has really grown.
Next time.
Huh? Okay, guys. Okay, Hello Baby just joined in here. Yeah, so this is how we mix. See, guys. Look at that. So you haven't forgotten yet?
No.
What you used to do? Where did you come from? Fundi, what's your take about this?
It's doing a nice job. It's really doing good.
He's really trying so hard.
Not trying, but it's really doing good.
So this is how it's supposed to be.
Yes, this
Wow.
is exactly how we do it. Yes.
Guys, you see? The boy is back to where he used to be. But I say thank you so much for supporting him, guys. I'm shooting Hello Baby's YouTube videos as well. At the same time, I'm recording my video from this side, you see? Yeah, I'm really helping him to create this video.
I'm done.
You are sweating? No, you should be doing this at least every single day so that you can reduce your weight. Yeah, you see? All right, guys. Okay, you can hold like this. That's
Okay.
right there. Most of my mentions right now, they are break to lunch, for lunch. And yeah,
This is my work.
that's your work.
Yes. Back to the root.
Actually, today is the last day of the month. You know that?
Yeah.
This is how how we end.
I was mixing this.
Today is 31st.
Right. Guys, back to the roots. I was mixing here, and that's how the day ended. Thank you so much. Eh? You see, guys, right there. Thank you so much for the love and support, guys. So we shall meet on the next video. Let me help them to mix the balanced there, guys. Bye.